What's up, babe? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. How y'all doing? Oh my gosh, y'all. The girl slept so good last night. Oh my word. And honey, might I contributed to this gown right here. Oh my gosh, yes. Let me share with you the RSLOVE Women's Nightgown Sexy Lingerie. Oh my God, don't play with it, don't play with it. You will find one gorgeous lace little nightgown. Y'all, right away, I just truly loved the lace detail. It's not flimsy, it's beautifully stitched, and you know, it gives you that romantic French-inspired look. It's a V-neck, it's a V-neck line, and it's sheer in just the right places. And it gives you that little extra boost of confidence you've been craving. Now, the other thing I love, it's very soft, smooth, and stretchy. It's not one of those cheap, scratchy slips that you can't wait to take off. It feels gentle on the skin. Like I said, I slept so good in this last night. So it's great for sleeping in, even lounging in it. And the cut of this little nightgown is what makes it stand out. It's close fitting in all the right places with a cinched waistline that flatters your figure and wavy hemline that adds movement and flow. Child, this is cute. This is for any occasion, whenever, however you want to rock it. And guess what? For those girlies out there wearing that same old oversized t-shirt to bed and wondering why you don't feel sexy anymore, this solves the problem. So, it also comes with a G-string, but you know, your girl didn't have to do all that. But I love it, and I want to thank RSLOVE for sending it over to me. And girl, I gotta get many more because, hey, I love it. The softness, oh, it's comfortable, it's cute, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so for the last couple of months, this has been my nighttime skincare routine. And y'all, I loved it. I truly, truly loved it. So what you're looking at right here is the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos Glycolic Serum. And what this is a high-tech 10% AHA plus 1% BHA nighttime serum designed to resurface dull, congested skin. Now, what this did for my skin, it gave me a noticeable glow by gently exfoliating the dead skin cells overnight. And it helped to also smooth out like rough patches and refine my pores, because I noticed as I got older, you know, my pores were like on 10. Girl, you could see them so much. And it also helped in like, you know, blemishes, keeping the blemishes under control and reducing excess oil on my skin. This TLC Framboos Glycolic Serum also is great for softening those fine lines and improving your skin texture over time. And it did that for me. Now, you might experience a slight tingle at first, but nothing uncomfortable. My skin always looked fresher by morning. Love this so much. Now, these items from Drunk Elephant are a little bit more pricier than others. I did a review on these, and that's how I got my hands on them. Y'all, if I could afford it, I would definitely repurchase. However, I'm working on right now, I'm using some things that, you know, I've changed up my skincare routine because this is gone. It's completely like gone. I love this opening too. Look at there. I loved how that opened up, and look at there. That's the drench of all that's left in it. So that's about it. Now, the step 2 of my skincare And this is just what I applied on my skin at night. Not the cleansing card or anything like that, but this is just what I applied on my skin. Was the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. Now this cream right here is ultra rich. It's an ultra rich moisturizer. It's packed with ceramides, lipids, minerals, and antioxidants. Y'all, for my skin, it instantly soothed and calmed my skin after any kind of mask or exfoliation. It also helped to strengthen my skin barrier. It left it plump and nourished. And if I had any redness or dryness, it helped in reducing the redness and dryness on my skin as well. It made my skin feel balanced. It worked perfectly as the final step, locking in hydration for, overnight. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Now, what it was, like, it is creamy. It has a buttery texture and it melted. It's so gone. I'm trying right now. But it melted right in without feeling greasy. And my skin felt cushioned and restored. Y'all, these two are a perfect match. Perfect match. And this skincare routine here, it works so well because like the Framboos glycolic serum handled the resurfacing and renewal, while the Bora Barrier Repair Cream replenished moisture and repaired the barrier. Together, they gave me smooth, refined texture, hydrated, plump skin, a healthy, balanced glow. Love these two together. But as I told y'all, I am looking for a new moisturizer. I did have in my stash a couple of things that I have implemented in, which I'll show you that now. So this is what I'm using now. I did talk about these two items here briefly just recently in a video. I'll link it in the iCards or in the description box for you. From Cider, the Light Up Intensifier Serum. I'm using this twice a day. I use this morning and nighttime here. And this Cider Thick Wall Intensifier Serum. This one has a ceramide in it as well, so it kind of balances out what I was using with the glycolic and the barrier repair from Drunk Elephant. But along with that, as my moisturizer, I have pulled out of my stash the Bay Body Collagen and Retinol Snail Mucin Moisturizer. So far, so good. I don't have a final what I really feel about them right now. Give me a few more weeks on it and I'll talk about it a little bit more. But right now, this is what we're doing. I'll have all of my products listed below so y'all can check out all of these and kind of read about them yourself. So if you're looking for a moisturizer or any type of serums, you can read about those as well. I will definitely know more as time goes along how they're working, but I am looking for a new moisturizer. So if y'all have any ideas or if you are using one that you're just loving, please drop a comment below and let me know what those are. And hey, I love trying new things, so I will check them out.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright.